Welcome back, my friends. Nice day on Wendy stock, up 7%. Ended the day at about $8.94. So check out this meme I made earlier today. I said, Wendy's holders to the shorts right now, and it's Dustin Poirier about to put a licking on that TSA agent. I thought that was hilarious. I was snorting in bed when I was making that shit. But anyway, we got Wendy's up 7% on the day. Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. I will be covering the entire Wendy's squeeze. We had a nice stream. We're on for 2.5 hours. Had a bunch of fun on burgers in the fucking chat. All right. Volume on the day was 29 million. Average for the past 30 days is 23. So good volume. If you look at the monthly, there's a lot of things I can speak on the chart, but I'll keep it as brief as possible. 3 white soldiers on the monthly. I want to pull up the volume profile, which is right here. And this is how we get levels. All right. Really simple. It's going to take me less than 15 seconds. First level, second level, and then third level. That's pretty much it. So that shows you support and resistance. It shows you how difficult levels are going to be. There's very little resistance above. Actually, let me pull it out one more time. So that was support to the downside. One more resistance level, I'd say, man, we're pretty much through the thick of it. But like above $10, $10.19, very little resistance between $10 and $17. And then little resistance between 17 and 21. But in the reality of a squeeze doesn't really give a fuck about resistance levels or support. The volume was the most this stock has ever had in its history last week, 420 million. So yeah, chart is looking good. Check this out. I asked, what is the average short price on Wendy's stock per Ortex data? So the average shorted around $7.10. They are underwater. This is where they shorted. $7.10. The average short, and there's a lot of shorts, is underwater 25%. And they're paying a cost to borrow, which is currently 16.7%. There's only 3,000 shares left. This was 34% yesterday. Okay? All shorts. Shorts from a year ago, shorts from today, shorts from tomorrow. They all pay this fee. It is a variable interest rate. It is annual, okay? But once you get 30, 40, 50, 60, it gets quite expensive. This is a chart that I asked Grok to create. It is a simulated squeeze. So if the shorts were to cover over a period of 6 days and there was no other buying or selling, this is what it would look like. Pretty interesting. I thought that was cool that Grok created that. That's if nothing else happened but the shorts just closed their positions. Okay? And then interesting article from Barron's. I take every article with a gigantic Tony Montana ounce of cocaine, salt, ball, whatever you want to call it. I only got like 3 hours of sleep last night. But this is an article, Wendy's and 14 other stocks to beat the next bear market. And they actually make a good case, very low beta. The company is going to be doing just fine. And it's also just technically at a beautiful spot. So love you guys. See you when you're rich. Peace.